16 RT Charger. I think I got about 40,000 miles on it right now. I'm running 270. God dog it, that sun is killing us. Wait a minute. Okay, I'm running 275s all the way around. See, I still got those red painted brake calipers. It's pretty stinking cool. All right, just quick. I'm trying to keep the camera as straight as I can. I just love the way these tires feels out the car. 275s, all 275/40, all the way around. And yes, they clear. No spacers, no anything. These are 20-inch Dodge Hellcat Replica rims, wrapped on the 275/40 Pirellis. Got these tires from Goodyear. So if this is something you guys want to do, I think it's great, because those stock wheels that come on it just look crazy. It looks super thin. All right, Terrence here. I'm signing out.